Here is the strawberry plant. I bought only one plant, this plant, out of which I already got this plant. And then out of these two plants, I got these two plants. How I did, I will show you. See, whenever you have a strawberry plant, you will have something coming out like this. You can see it has some roots in it. See, you can see small roots in it. This is going to make a new plant. See, I will be just keeping it here this way, and I will just dig in some mud, dirt, and I will just leave it for a week. Just leave it for a week. This way it will get new roots. I will keep you updated once the roots are developed. See, out of these two plants, I already got these two plants, and now I will be getting one more plant. You can see in this plant already twice or thrice I have harvested strawberries. See, can you see the strawberries? 4 strawberries, and again we have some more strawberries here, and we have some more strawberries at the back there. Lot of strawberries in this plant. Now we'll wait for the deep roots to grow in this. I will show you. Now I have come back after 1 week to give you the update how the roots have been formed in this. Before that, just let's have a look at the strawberries. These are those strawberries which were small, and you can see those buds also have become nice big strawberries. First they will be white in color, then they will turn to red. Okay, now let's check. Now I'll pull out this plant which we planted last week. See how bushy fibrous roots it has formed. Very nice root system is being developed. That's how the strawberry plant will grow very quickly. When you buy only one plant, it is more than enough that you will be keep on getting more plants. Now you can cut the stem which is connected to the main plant. Now you can see in this plant also we have another plant growing. We will propagate that also. Just the same way how we did with that plant, I will be planting this also on the other side. This way you keep doing. When you plant it in the ground, it will get propagated by itself, but if you are doing it in pot, you have to help it grow like this, how I am doing. I had multiplied lot of plants and shared lot of plants with many friends too. Let me share what fertilizer I use for growing these plants also. I use bone meal and cow dung manure which we get in Walmart. Very less only I use. Other than that, I collect all the eggshells which I use at home and grind those eggshells and keep it in a bottle. I will give that as a feed. Every week I will give 1 spoon to 2 spoons depending on the size of the pot. These plants die in peak winter and regrow once you water those pots in the next season. So once you buy, don't worry, they regrow again and again every season. That's it. If you find this video informative, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.